What did I do to deserve this? I didn't even get one last kiss from you. Oh baby, God took your love from me. He needed an angel, so it seems. I need to feel your hands all over me. I need to feel you kissing me. I need to feel you holding me. I need to feel your touch, 'cause I miss your love so much. And I can't keep on living this way. I need you here with me. Why could he take you away from me? It's hard for me to tell you I love you, as I'm standing over your grave, and I know I'll never hear your voice again. Why did you leave me? Why couldn't you just stay? Because my world is nothing without you. Now I don't know what to do with myself. I would have given you anything just to make you happy, just to hear you say that you love me one last time. I go back and home over and over again, just to prove to you how much I need you here. There was nothing that I wouldn't do. I cried for you, I lied for you, and there's no doubt if I could take your place in heaven.